Here is how you zip and then unzip files. Just select the files or folder you want to zip and right-click. Then select your compression software. Mine is WinRAR. Click Add to Archive. Now you can choose the format, like zip, and press OK. If you need them in a different format or even smaller size, go to this website. Upload your compressed file and select another format, like 7-zip. Now my file is 4 times smaller. Now, here are 2 methods for converting zip files to normal. Method 1, for unzipping all files. Right-click on the zip file, then click WinRAR. Click Extract here if you want to keep the file location. Otherwise, choose Extract Files. Then you can pick another location. I want them on desktop. And that's it! Method 2, for unzipping specific files. Open the zip file and select only the files you need. Then right-click. Make sure to select Copy to Clipboard. Then paste them wherever you want, and the other files stay zipped. Follow for more tech tips.